We thought the release date of the Samsung Galaxy S22 depended on which model you ordered and where you lived, but it seems like it might have a lot to do with luck as well. On the Samsung subreddit, there are many threads posted by people receiving it early, like this one, or this one, and this one as well. People mention receiving both the S22 Plus and the S22 Ultra early, though it's not clear what regions they're all in. Some of the Redditors even mention having received the phones days prior. It sounds like some people who pre-ordered immediately after Samsung Unpacked may have had their orders dispatched near enough immediately. The earliest official Galaxy S22 release date is February 25th. That's for all the phones in the US and just the Ultra in the UK. So it's clear then that these people received their phones well ahead of time. Great news for you super early adopters and total agony for the rest of us. So how did this happen? When are you likely to receive your phones? And is this the year that Samsung finally steals the crown from Apple? To answer all those questions and hopefully some more, I'm joined by Deputy Phones Editor of TechRadar, Tom Bedford. Tom, thanks for joining me. So some people are getting their S22 phones early. Does this look like it's a widespread problem, or is this just a lucky few people?
It is just a lucky few people. If you pre-ordered it, you shouldn't expect to receive a phone straight away. A few lucky people, and that's it. On the Samsung subreddit, it was just a few people who were talking about it loads, so not everybody by any means.
Fantastic stuff. And do we have any idea what happened here? Is this just a mistake by Samsung, or is this like a plan to build hype online, do you think?
It seems more likely a mistake on behalf of the retailers that are selling it. It's probably not Samsung itself, because Samsung will send its phones to the different people who pre-order it from different companies. So it's probably just admin errors, really.
Brilliant stuff. And then finally, I know you've been using the S22 Ultra for a little while, and we're going to work on a much longer, more in-depth review video, obviously. So if you're interested in that, make sure you subscribe to the channel. But I wanted to get your thoughts very briefly. Do we think this is going to be a huge phone in 2022? Is it a little bit of a letdown? How does it stack up compared to the other phones on offer right now for people?
Well, it's literally a huge phone because it's really hard to get in my hands. But hype-wise, it could be. Unfortunately, it's not a huge upgrade from the other Samsung phones. It's basically the same specs as last year, and it looks like the Note 20 Ultra from the year before. So if it becomes big this year, it depends more on what other companies will do this year. We might see Xiaomi with a new Ultra phone. We've heard Motorola might have its first Ultra phone. So what other companies do will probably dictate on how popular the Samsung ends up being.
Fantastic stuff. Thanks for joining me, Tom. We'll see you again soon. Well, there you have it. Let me know down in the comments below if you managed to secure your pre-order, or better yet, received your handset early. If you enjoyed the video, remember to drop a like, and if you loved it, why not subscribe to TechRadar here on YouTube so you don't miss any of our future phone reviews and tech news.